back again with an iconic project in Thane location, which is going to be the marquee of luxury. Let me take you to the development. So this is going to be a 5 acres of land parcel with 80% of open greenery space, which you can see here as well. Let's get into the sales office. So guys, this is going to be a flagship project by Lodha Developers, because Thane has never seen such kind of luxurious project in the city. When I talk about luxury, it actually defines what luxury is. So once Coco Chanel has said that luxury starts where the necessity ends. Let me take you what actually the luxury means.
Right behind me is 5 acres of township model. Let me take you through. So this portion is going to be your high street retail, where we are trying to get all the international brands so that you get all the things that you require in your daily life. This is going to be the tower, which either has a eastern view or a western view. So on the east side you directly get the city view, and on the west side you directly get the view of the Yeon Hills. Now this portion is going to be completely dedicated for your amenities area. As you can see, there's a temple inside the project which maintains the serenity of the development. And here we have given all the amenities right from the toddlers to the senior citizens. You have everything inside the project, and we have given the 2 banquet halls. Now let me show you how the sample flat is. So this is our 4 BHK with study sample flat, where you can also get an idea of how the 3 BHK with study looks like. This is our living area, which is almost 400 square feet. Let's check out the deck area. So this is your sun deck, which is almost 67 square feet, which actually you can consider as sun deck area, where you can place your yoga mat and you can do the yoga meditation, or either you can place 2 chairs, 1 table, and you can enjoy your evening coffee with your loved ones. So this is our dining space. Let's explore the other parts of the apartment. Let me take you to the master bedroom of the apartment. This is almost 180 square feet of master bedroom, which is the most spacious bedroom of the apartment, of 180 square feet, which you won't get in any other development across Thane. Now let's check the master washroom. So guys, this is what I actually meant when I told you let me take you through the luxury. This is what we meant. Only Lodha Developer in the market is giving you bathtub attached with your master washroom, which actually gives you a feel of luxury living. Now let's see the other parts of the apartment. The second master bedroom of the apartment, which is again 160 square feet. Guys, can you see the size of the apartment? And we have given the French windows, which actually gives you the feel of balcony, because
The lower portion is your fixed glass and the upper portion is your movable glass. And it is attached again with your master washroom. Common bedrooms are usually 10 by 10, 9 by 9, 10 by 9 or 9 by 10. But this common bedroom is almost 120 square feet. Can you imagine a common bedroom of 120 square feet? Common bedrooms are usually considered as kids' bedroom, but this is almost 120 square feet. You can make it as your guest bedroom. Bedroom. So this is your 140 square feet of master bedroom, which is quite spacious, guys. You won't get third master bedroom of this size at any project in Thane. Be it premium, be it luxury, but it actually never means luxury. This is what luxury means. Luxury with such huge washrooms in the apartment. Master washroom of the apartment. So let me take you to the kitchen, which is the final part of the apartment. Can you see the size of the kitchen? This is so huge. And we are going to give you the parallel platforms on both the sides, which actually gives you the space to work around in the kitchen. And the dry balcony of the flat. This is as good as a deck which other developers provide in the market. Ever seen? Yes, it is. Get yourself here and don't miss this opportunity to taste the luxury in Thane city. Also guys, here we will be coming up with 6 apartments at a floor with 6 elevators and 6 butler's quarters, which also gives you a kind of privacy which you actually need in your day-to-day life. Also guys, here we have our in-house hospitality team, which is Saint Amand, who provides you with all kind of hospitality and gives you the luxury living with the valet services, so that you don't have the headache of parking your car. Actually, you can just give your keys and you are free to go. So these were the USPs of the project, and you will get to know more about the project once you visit the sales office.